Hi there, Antonio from Ausgeknipst here, and today we talk about the Leicaflex SL. And this camera from Leica and the other sister, the SL2, have the same problem, which is the take-up spool often breaks off for the film. And for that we made a little replacement part here. It's just a take-up spool as a clip, so you can open it with your finger, and then you can insert it in the spool holder. And then you just press it down and then it sits there. So for that we just pre-open the spool a little bit with our finger, and then we insert it here in the round part, and then we can press it down and then it just sits there snug, and then it works. So for that we open it a little bit with the finger. The camera is a little bit difficult, but we'll try our best. All right, here we go, and then I push it down, so it just sits. You have to wiggle it a little bit here, just see if everything sits fine, and then yeah, camera works again.